With every gentle touch upon my body, the very droplets of my soul yearn to take root. In the lonely moments when you are not near, even the unblossomed bud longs to bloom. In the yearning to be joined with you, the center of my soul is melting to heal this ache. Fill me completely with your love. Fill me up. Fill me up. Fill me up. Fill me up. Fill the emptiness within me. Fill me up. Fill me completely with your love. Only when I am near you shall my soul pause and blossom. Fill me up. Fill me up. As your fingertips graze me, the walls of our hearts gently shatter. The secret festival held by solitude turns every moment into poetry. To break the curse of separation, sketch yourself into my depths. Enter into me completely. Like a cloud that refuses to rain, my sky was empty. Then suddenly the season of rain opened upon my parched skin. I hold tight to the memory of you. As your dry cloud melts into rain, I capture you in my love to quench your thirst. Fill me up. Fill the emptiness within me. Fill me up. Fill me completely with your love. Only when I am near you shall my soul